Page 122. Keep to the speed limit. So question 1. Kira, Ronan and Maria were travelling to the concert. The following speed limits were in place en route. Work out whether each driver was over or under the speed limit at the different speed check. Complete the table. Well, if the speed limit's 100 and Kira is driving 80, 100 take away 80 means she was 20 kilometers an hour under. That's where there's a minus. In Ronan's case, he was going 110, so you put the big number on top, take away 100, so it would be a plus here, plus whatever your answer is, kilometers per hour going over the speed limit. For Maria, again put the big number on top, she was going 95 kilometers, so she'd be going under, so it'll put in a minus or negative sign there. Part B is the same. If the number from this box, or this box is on top, your answer will be positive because 82 is greater than 80. If 80 is on top, take away 75, your answer will be under, so you put in a negative sign. C is the same. Which driver was guilty of driving most kilometers over the speed limit at each speed check? When you have your answers filled in, it'll be one of the plus answers somewhere along here. Which driver drove most kilometers per hour under the speed limit? So it'll be something with a minus sign here. Question 4. If a song moves up the charts, it gains places, which is positive. If it moves down, it loses places, which is negative. So for example, this song Let It Go was 1 this week. Last week it was 3. So it went from 3 to 1, which was plus 2. See, can you spot the pattern? So last week, Boom Boom was at 6. This week it's at 2. So imagine it going up the chart. 6 take away 2 would be plus 4. It went up 4 places. Last week, Dancing Prince was at 1. This week it's at 3. So it's actually moved down. So 3 take away 1 is 2, but it's going to be negative 2 because it's going down the charts. So the pattern is when the numbers on this side are bigger than this side, your answer is going to be a positive. When the numbers on this side are bigger than this side, your answer is going to be a negative. So it's all take away, put the big number on top. See, can you make sense of this? It moves up the chart, it becomes positive, it goes down, it becomes negative.